Bet. All
For
right,
real,
anyway.
man. My hair be getting all types of messed up. Snap
right.
keeps on stealing my hats.
Next game here.
Is it starting?
Yeah, it's starting, yes.
Oh, okay.
That's why I asked you if you were fine. Anyway.
I'm not fine.
You're
I'm
fine
messed
now.
up in the head. All right, we got
AnimalK
versus
AnimalK.
Mewmon.
Wolf. All right, whatever.
We'll just get this on.
Get this over with.
We're good. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah,
We started,
you're
bro.
good. Go. Yep.
So, Mewmon, the Greninja guy.
Greninja. We don't have too many Greninjas.
We don't have Greninjas at all, so I'm kind of hyped to see
We got like 2 Greninjas.
I love Greninja in Smash 4. I love the footstool combos.
I love the footstool combos. I love the drag down uppers in this game too.
I feel like Mewmon labs a lot with Greninja.
He definitely does. It looks like he does.
But,
Definitely a lot of combos coming out. Definitely a lot of movement.
But here is AnimalK.
yeah,
but he's going up against literally one of the best players here. So, let's see how he does.
Let's see how he does. He doesn't look like he's doing at least not bad.
No.
That was a weird. That was a weird shuriken. It looks like he might be trying to go for a down
wow,
smash.
just down smash like that? Don't tell me.
He's fine. He's
okay.
fine. No, he's good.
Yeah, Greninja has a great recovery.
Greninja's really good. All right, dash shot. Ooh, forward air.
Oh man,
okay.
that forward air is
All
nice.
right. Forward smash.
Forward smash.
Okay.
Oh, he tries to
Oh,
counter.
try to counter. I see what he tried to do. I know what he tried to do. That's not good grab.
Oh wow, the forward tilt broke out of the grab. Okay.
Alright.
Wolf's not busted. Oh, I thought that was going to be a down smash. I was
I
scared.
thought it was gonna be down smash. I got scared. Oh lord. AnimalK famous for those down
I
smashes.
swear to God.
I'm going for laser, you know, trying to keep him off the stage, trying to...
Ooh, tries to get him with the forward tilt.
You know, the nice
Mewmon making it back pretty safe.
Making it fairly safe. A dash check. Ooh, he tried to... that was nice.
Back throw might actually take it. Oh,
No,
whoa.
no. Have you seen both back throw? It's awful.
What back throw's not that bad?
Yeah, this is awful.
He's broken. He's top 3. Anyway.
He's not top 3. Alright, now it kills. Now it kills.
Okay, whatever.
Hey, you
Still.
said that at 140.
Okay,
Whatever.
140. What percent was he at there?
Like 170.
Okay, maybe this is why I should probably lab against Wolf and do things against him so I don't lose.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway,
There's lots of...
AnimalK with the down
Really trying
throw.
to go for jab lock there.
Yeah.
The down
Tech chase.
Ooh,
The
no.
magic percent. Oh no.
Oh, okay.
That would have
good
been
recovery.
scary.
Good angle there.
Yeah, a good angle. I guess that kind of threw off the AnimalK.
Oh, Lord. He wants that down smash.
For
You see
real.
him fishing for it. He wants it.
And this is what it is with AnimalK.
He's out for blood.
He plays so relaxed. Like he doesn't.
Out for blood.
Doesn't matter what percent AnimalK
Okay.
has. He just plays so calm.
He does. And that's a really good player trait.
Yeah, that's a really great player trait.
I-
He's not even running. He's just walking.
Just do a little stroll.
He didn't even do Wolf's dash.
Nice little stroll. That
Down tilt?
Okay. Yeah, sure. I don't see why not.
Really?
Yeah, why not? If it works, doesn't it?
All right. Mewmon.
I didn't expect he wants that jab lock.
Mewmon
too.
looking a little flustered right now. It
Looking a
seems
little.
like.
All right, good forwarder. Gotta get him up the stage as
Wow.
good as
Oh,
possible.
this should be something.
Forward throw? Not yet.
Put him in a bad
Oh,
situation.
the
Wow,
reflector.
the reflect.
He wants it.
Oh,
He
no.
wants it. That timing just a little off.
I feel like Mewmon should mix up
Oh, the down smash.
mix up his edge guards
He should.
instead of just go for counter.
Yeah.
Because I don't think AnimalK is gonna bite on that. Not one bit.
But hey, maybe he just doesn't know how to play against Wolf. Wolf is a weird character.
True.
They could be able, because like, you know, with the low character variety here we have in
Yeah,
Rock
yeah.
the low variety here.
Maybe there's something we don't see that he does.
maybe there's something a little different here. But there we go, taking that first stock finally. Let's see here. Looks like he's going for a back air. Trying to read an air dodge, it looked like. Ooh, lots of jumping around, alright. Up smash for some reason.
Yeah.
Yep, he read the
there's
second
the down
place. Yep,
smash.
he read the second place.
Yep.
That's the AnimalK special right
That
there.
is the AnimalK
That's
special.
the AnimalK special.
You only get that exclusively at Rockford.
Exactly.
So
Now, game 2 could go anywhere.
anywhere, I feel like it.
It could go anywhere.
I don't know. Just that same band. so
Maybe
I
like
assume,
no platforms.
I assume no plats.
Yep,
yeah.
I knew it. Like I said, maybe no plats, because Greninja thrives
Greninja
off
does a
that.
lot of stuff
He
on
does a lot
platforms
of
that make me scared.
Up airs. It's
Yes.
like fighting against Palutena.
Seriously. But I'd rather fight Greninja every day.
How often do you fight Greninja anyway?
Who was that one
Exactly.
guy here?
What, Kanzaguru?
He was
Kanzaguru?
yeah, maybe.
Probably. Did he have like a beard?
Yeah, he had a beard and he
yeah,
was in
Kanzaguru.
Japan. Yeah, I played against him. This Greninja
Yeah,
was
he's
nice
good.
too.
Anyway, so different Greninja.
Different Greninja, Mewmon.
Different Greninja. New year here. Oh, he wanted that down smash. God, he's out for blood.
Dude,
with
he's
that.
always trying to go for the down smash. It's just like such a. It's not only is it like a stupid move, but it's a great move.
It's such a good move.
But it's so stupid.
Jeez. You could just throw it out.
You can throw that out anywhere,
see, like,
and
he's-
it's
he's
so
not-
fast. Wolf has lagless smash attacks,
He really does.
so that's what I like to say.
I mean,
Good
except
parry.
when, like,
Oh
whoa.
my lord! I don't know if that was a misinput.
No.
Or AnimalK was just going for something special.
Oh, whoa.
No.
Whoa.
Wow.
Yeah, they are
Made
just
it back
going.
safe.
They are both just going
Yeah,
for it.
going
today.
off stage.
Got new year, new playstyle here.
Back air, not gonna kill.
Gonna get him off the stage.
Gonna
though.
get the sweet spot.
Oh, he wants that off.
Someone's
Ooh.
coughing up a loogie in the back. No,
Ooh,
he's not.
okay.
I don't think he's gonna bite for it now.
Oh, the
The wind! I mean, the
Nice.
water pushed him back.
Good,
Up
good
smash.
stock from.
That was a
Mewmon
great start
here.
from Mewmon. That's what he needs.
That's what he needs. Just a little bit of confidence boost.
Because
you know,
game
just-
one was looking a little rough.
Yeah, look a little rough around the edges, but he's smoothing it up right now. Ooh, good parry from AnimalK though. Looks like trying to go for a 2-frame there. Alright.
Gets neutral, gets up, techs in place.
Alright. Oh, missed the grab though.
I mean, yeah, this is really just.
This is
I like
really-
FD a lot, but everyone bans it.
Well, yeah, well, I
But,
ban it.
yeah, because like I don't know, it's just like pure like
Like nobody wants
taken.
to. Because like everyone likes platforms.
Yeah,
Everybody
everyone
likes
loves platforms,
Everyone
but
plays a
it's-
character with platforms. The 2-frame gonna get him
But
though.
it's a little dope to see. Oh, the two got him. It's a little dope to see like no platforms, just all neutral.
Yeah, it's all neutral.
This is like
works.
this just shows like I'm not gonna let you touch the ground. I'm not gonna let you play the game. That's what I view FD as.
I can see that. Yeah, I can definitely see that. Going a little far there with that forward air. Looks like he didn't pay for it too much though.
But
Ooh,
Mewmon
forward air. Yeah, Mewmon is
going a
getting
little
on
crazy.
it.
Oh
Yo, he's
man.
going-
Oh no.
Oh no. Okay, I thought he had. Okay, I thought he had his jump.
Good parry from the
That was a good pair. Okay.
Tries to get
Ooh.
something going.
Down
Ooh,
smash. He got retaliating back with his own down
Now
smash
this is
there.
what I like. Mewmon is playing slow
Yeah, he's
and
playing
patient.
slow and patient.
He doesn't want to rush anything too fast. He knows what he needs to do.
He knows his plan.
He's smart.
I was trying to get him off stage there for an early kill. Alright. Game punch that jab.
Oh, that's
down
gonna be a
smash.
stock.
Yep.
That
You
is
can never
what
miss a
I
tech.
mean.
You can never miss a tech.
Mewmon still has the lead, but you're next on stream
Yeah.
versus Yami. Oh man. And there it is. AnimalK evens it back out.
Already? I looked away for 2
Yeah,
seconds.
yeah. He just that's what he does.
How? I looked away for 2 seconds.
Oh, the forward smash!
That killed!
Let's go!
Yo! Let's go, Mewmon. Alright.
Mewmon takes the game.
Okay. Alright. Like, get a little spicy here. today.
Mewmon was playing perfect. He was doing everything
Yo,
he needed
yo.
to do.
Yo, he is.
He kept his composure after that
kept
down
his composure,
smash,
yo.
after he died at like
He definitely
whatever
smoothed it up.
percent Wolf kills at.
Yo, he definitely smoothed himself out a little bit.
But now,
Alright.
now, you know,
You know, are we
you just want to
gotta calm ourselves?
Yeah,
you know?
he needs to. Now he just needs to stay
Yeah.
calm.
Take a deep breath here. Oh,
Don't even think
Callus.
about getting an upset.
Yeah, don't even think about it. Don't even think about
getting an
it.
upset.
Erase it from your mind.
Get
of what's
that out of
happening.
get that mentality out of you. Just play how
Erase
you
it.
play.
Just play the same way you would.
Because I really want to see Mewmon like go forward.
I'm curious. This is
He's been showing up a lot. He's been practicing.
He's been putting in that work,
He's
that
been putting
effort.
in that work, grind, and they're on
Yo.
Kalos. Oh my
They're
god.
on Kalos.
Why are
Yo,
they?
alright.
Why was this
Alright.
not banned?
Game 3.
This is not. I think Kalos is an awful stage for everybody.
You're not wrong, but
So
you're not wrong. Lordy. Looks like AnimalK is putting in quite a bit of a lead right now. Kalos might have been a really good stage for at least for AnimalK right now.
yeah.
Platform's kind of holding out quite a bit.
Oh, he gets hit by the shuriken.
That's good. Good shuriken. Good shuriken. You're trying to go for back air.
Oh no! You can't do that.
Mistime
You
the
tried
count.
to-
You can't
yeah,
do
you
that.
Mistime a counter. Right in front of Wolf's face. He's just gonna down
Bro,
smash.
Wolf is gonna look at you and just
and
kill
then
you.
he's gonna just down smash.
Yikes! All right. Ooh, that
Oh,
was
you tried to
okay.
grab him.
He didn't get punished for
the
it.
jab
That works.
from Mewmon came out faster.
Yeah, it did. Oh, ooh, let's try to read an air dodge there, it looks like. Blaster? Alright. Wolf's favorite neutral tool.
Seriously.
Your neutral is now mine. Alright, get him off stage.
Good fair.
Looks like he's trying to hit him with the counter.
You know, that's not a bad idea
That's
to
not a bad
counter.
idea.
To counter his up B.
I don't know if it exactly hit it though. I don't know if it's not like Arsene where it just hits all around you. But I guess it would spike him.
Oh,
Ooh,
no,
good
good
tech.
tech. And he
Good
tries
tech.
the side
Oh,
B, and then
nice.
he gets hit with the water.
Just a little splash.
Just a little splash of water hits.
Just a little drop. Alright, this is actually not looking too bad for Mewmon right now.
Tries to get him with the bread and butters for Greninja.
Okay.
Which I feel like Greninja gets a lot of mileage out of grabs.
He really does.
At
He
low
gets a lot
percent.
of it.
Dash attack's gonna send him off stage.
Dash tag is
Another dash attack's gonna send him off stage.
good thing for that
This
side
is
B.
not.
Ooh, nice.
Oh, forward
Forward tilt, not
tilt.
gonna do it just yet.
Oh, no.
Ooh, nice jumping on that platform.
Yeah,
That was a good use of
seriously.
that platform.
Yeah, maybe that's why
maybe
the
that's
stage.
why.
Yeah, maybe that's why he left the stage out.
Oh, geez, stopping that back over there. That was very close. Ooh. This is very scary for both of them, honestly. Then I just kind of hanging back, you know, not really doing much.
Oh,
Trying to move out smash. Okay. You think down smash might have been a better situation there? Ooh,
Good
catching that
forward air.
good forward air. He doesn't even look trying him the side hitbox of that.
oh, that's not. Oh,
No, okay, not gonna kill me.
good.
Yeah, good. It's
not
off stage.
forward tilt.
A double side B.
Forward
Okay.
tilt.
Ooh, you know, wolf malfunction.
Let me guess.
there.
Forward tilt.
Let me guess. Oh god, this is very scary.
Oh wow,
Ooh, good
AnimalK
forward.
just jumped up and didn't even do anything. It looked like. I don't know if he did a move or just jumped in his fair.
It didn't look like it.
Oh my
Not gonna do it
goodness.
just yet. Ooh, both getting real aggressive right now.
They're getting very aggressive.
looking very aggressive.
Like,
Just kinda
oh, dash
tag
attack's
him,
gonna take it. Yep.
Okay, but it's you know,
Mewmon
it's not
still
too far.
has this. He
The
can.
thought is still
he
there.
can. It's all he needs is like
It's not impossible.
a smash attack, a fair. He ran away.
He ran.
Fast as hell.
There we go.
There it is.
All right,
There's
back
a fair.
back to full even game now. Even game.
A little
here.
taunt to boost
Little
him up.
taunt.
That's what I
All
like
right,
to see,
confidence
man.
boost. I love that.
He knows that he can
Love
get
people.
this. He knows that he can get an upset.
Oh,
Oh, footstool.
Oh, ooh. Okay. Okay, good footstool. That was very creative. All right, not just yet. Ooh.
Man, if the AnimalK gets out here early, that'd be early for him.
Hey,
to get out.
hey, erase that thought. Erase that thought. This game's still in it. The game's not over till it says game on the screen.
Just the fact that Mewmon's been. Oh no.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. You get that thought out of your mind. This game's.
Sorry.
Oh yikes! Don't curse anything.
This is bad.
Oh, he got it. The 2 frame. Yikes!
2-1. Last game.
All right. Yikes!
Danae has plot armor. I call.
Honor.
Have him sent to the principal's office and have him expelled.